15 lucky plants that bring major good vibes to your home. Your home is more than just a place to rest, it's a reflection of your energy. For centuries, cultures around the world have believed that certain plants attract prosperity, happiness, and positive energy. From Feng Shui traditions in China to Ayurveda in India, the belief in lucky plants has remained strong. If you've ever walked into a room filled with lush greenery, you've probably felt the calm, balanced energy that plants bring. But some plants do more than just beautify, they transform your home's atmosphere, inviting wealth, harmony, and well-being. Let's explore 15 lucky plants that are known to bring major good vibes to your home, and learn where to place them for maximum luck. 1. Money plant Pothos or Epipremnum aureum. Symbolism, wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. Best placement: southeast corner, the wealth corner in Feng Shui. The money plant tops the list of lucky plants for one simple reason: it's believed to attract financial abundance. Its heart-shaped green leaves symbolize wealth and positive energy flow. It's an easy care plant that thrives even in low light, making it perfect for living rooms or offices. Tip: grow it in water with a few coins at the bottom to amplify the money energy. Avoid placing it in the bathroom, as it can symbolically drain prosperity away. 2. Lucky bamboo Dracaena sanderiana. Symbolism, strength, growth, and happiness. Best placement: east for family or southeast for wealth. Lucky bamboo is a staple in Feng Shui decor. The number of stalks has special meanings. 2 stalks equals love and harmony. 3 stalks equals happiness. 5 stalks equals health. 8 stalks equals prosperity. 9 stalks equals good fortune. Keep it in clean water. Change the water weekly, and place it in bright, indirect light. This elegant plant invites steady growth in your career and personal life. 3. Jade plant Crassula ovata. Symbolism, financial success, friendship, and endurance. Best placement: near the entrance or office desk. Known as the money tree in Chinese culture, the jade plant has thick, coin-like leaves, a clear symbol of wealth and prosperity. Entrepreneurs and business owners often keep one in their offices to attract good business energy and long-term success. Tip: always gift a jade plant to others rather than buying it for yourself. This doubles the luck it brings. 4. Peace lily spathiphyllum. Symbolism, peace, purity, and protection. Best placement: bedroom or living room. The peace lily is not only beautiful with its white blooms, but it's also a natural air purifier. It absorbs toxins and negative energy, creating a serene and restful atmosphere. According to Feng Shui, it balances energy and attracts a calm, harmonious household. Tip: keep the soil moist and avoid direct sunlight. Too much heat can damage the leaves. 5. Snake plant Sansevieria trifasciata. Symbolism, protection and resilience. Best placement: near the entrance or window. The snake plant is a symbol of strong, protective energy. It wards off negative vibes, jealousy, and even bad luck. It's also one of the best air purifiers, releasing oxygen even at night. Tip: perfect for bedrooms. Its night oxygen boost helps improve sleep quality. 6. Erica palm Dipsis lutescens. Symbolism, wealth, happiness, and fresh beginnings. Best placement: living room or near the main entrance. The Erica palm brings tropical elegance and refreshing vibes to your home. Its lush, feathery leaves represent vitality and life. In Feng Shui, palms are believed to sweep away stagnant or negative energy. Tip: water regularly and mist the leaves to keep them looking fresh and full of life. 7. Rubber plant Ficus elastica. Symbolism, abundance, prosperity, and stability. Best placement: wealth corner or near the main door. With its broad, shiny leaves, the rubber plant represents steady financial growth and resilience. It's a powerhouse air purifier and adds a luxurious, modern look to any room. Tip: keep the leaves clean and glossy by wiping them with a damp cloth. This enhances the plant's positive energy. 8. Boston fern Nephrolepis exaltata. Symbolism, health, happiness, and purification. Best placement: living room or bathroom. Ferns are ancient symbols of vitality and protection. The Boston fern, with its lush green fronds, is believed to absorb negativity and stress. It thrives in humid environments, making it ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. Tip: mist regularly. This plant loves humidity. 9. Basilosimum basilicum, symbolism, love, luck, and protection. Best placement: kitchen or balcony. In many Asian traditions, basil is considered sacred. It's believed to attract positive energy and ward off evil. Its sweet aroma purifies the air and uplifts the mood instantly. Tip: place it in a sunny spot and water it regularly. You'll enjoy both good energy and delicious herbs for cooking. 10. Orchid orchidaceae, symbolism, fertility, love, and perfection. Best placement: bedroom or living room. Orchids are considered symbols of refined beauty and romantic energy. In Feng Shui, they're associated with harmony, relationships, and personal growth. Their vibrant colors also attract joyful energy. Tip: use indirect sunlight and avoid overwatering. Orchids prefer slightly dry conditions. 11. Aloe vera, symbolism, healing and protection. Best placement: near sunny windows or balcony. Known as the miracle plant, aloe vera is said to absorb bad luck and negative energy. Its healing gel represents renewal and vitality. In ancient Egyptian culture, it was a symbol of eternal life. Tip: keep it near a bright window, but not under harsh direct sunlight for too long. 12. Spider plant Chlorophytum camosum. Symbolism, growth, stability, and positive energy. Best placement: living room, near windows. The spider plant has a cheerful energy that clears out toxins and invites fresh beginnings. It's ideal for new homeowners or those moving into a new space. Tip: it's also pet-friendly, perfect for homes with cats or dogs. 13. Bonsai tree. Symbolism, balance, harmony, and patience. Best placement: office or meditation area. The bonsai tree teaches us the art of balance and mindfulness. It represents harmony between man and nature. Caring for a bonsai cultivates patience, focus, and appreciation for slow growth, qualities that attract inner peace and stability. Tip: choose a species, like ficus or jade for beginners, and trim regularly to maintain shape and energy flow. 14. Lavender lavandula, symbolism, serenity, calm, and protection. Best placement: bedroom or balcony. Lavender is not just a fragrant herb, it's a natural stress reliever. Its scent promotes deep relaxation, peaceful sleep, and positive emotional balance. Tip: keep it where sunlight reaches and trim flowers regularly to encourage regrowth. 15. Chrysanthemum morifolium. Symbolism, joy, longevity, and positive chi. Best placement: living room or patio. In many Asian cultures, chrysanthemums are seen as symbols of happiness and long life. Their bright, cheerful blooms lift the mood and attract vibrant, joyful energy into your home. Tip: choose golden or red varieties for added luck and prosperity. Bonus: placement tips for maximum luck. To truly harness the energy of these plants, consider these Feng Shui placement tips. East direction promotes family harmony and health. Southeast direction enhances wealth and prosperity. South direction encourages fame and recognition. North direction improves career growth. Also, remember to keep plants healthy and well-trimmed. A wilted or dying plant can symbolize stagnation or blocked energy. Grow your own positive energy. Plants do more than decorate. They heal, protect, and empower your living space. Each leaf, flower, and root carries a vibration that influences your emotions and well-being. Whether you choose a money plant for wealth, a peace lily for harmony, or lavender for peace, you're creating a sanctuary of good energy. So, start small. Even one lucky plant can shift the energy in your home. With love, care, and the right placement, your plants will reward you with serenity, success, and joy for years to come. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about creating a beautiful and positive home, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy planting and may your homes be filled with good fortune. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.